Okay, so fundamentally, any strategy, any project, any business needs a process of engagement, collaboration with key stakeholders. If that does not take place, we have total disconnect in an organization and in the project environment as well. So our facilitation approach, we are members of the International Association of Facilitators. Okay, we are professional facilitators, and the facilitation services that we offer to our clients start at strategy facilitation, down into program facilitation, down into project facilitation, and then branches out into the key disciplines of project management. For example, planning, scheduling, costing, estimating, project controls, right down to integrated change controls on projects. We've had instances where clients have asked us to facilitate workshops on scope changes in excess of $1 billion. One scope change, and the facilitation process gets down into the root cause. So we use a number of techniques to get down into the root cause of what's causing the problems on our projects, because otherwise clients and team members focus on things that aren't important. And facilitation allows the neutral platform for everybody to have a voice. And if everybody can have a voice without any partisan, without any ambiguity, with total neutrality, we actually get to the answers very, very quickly. So that the organization can make a decision. Because people do make mistakes in business. Project managers do make mistakes on project. It's fact. And the only way that we can get to some sort of resolution, compromising, call it smoothing, whatever you want, is through a facilitated approach. So we've done over 8,000 facilitation sessions across 58 countries worldwide.